What's going on, Facebook? Welcome to another video to talk about the bridal catalog. It should be arriving in some of your mailboxes now. If not, you can get it at Stuller.com. I'm Rob Kirkpatrick, here with Alex Stuller, the Senior Director of Bridal here at Stuller.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Time.
Yes, I'm excited for this book to finally be out in our customers' hands.
Yes, so it's a big one. There's a lot in there. You actually were able to fit more product in fewer pages, and that has just been really changing the process to make sure it's clearer and easier to use.
Yeah, so we took a lot of the feedback from our previous catalogs, not just the bridal one, and tried to make this as efficient as possible for our customers, because we know that when they are picking up this catalog, they're trying to find something. So we paid attention to the size and the navigation in particular to make sure that customers could find what they needed as quickly as possible.
So I noticed the tabs on the side. Those are really easy when you're sort of thumbing through this book to find exactly what you need. I wanted to mention 3C because it's something that people know Stuller for. It really provides you so many customization options on so much of this bridal product, and it all used to be in one place. Well, now it actually fits into the category that you're looking at, and you'll see that 3C badge.
Yeah, so it's still badged as our customers are used to call out all of the series that are 3C. So you'll absolutely know immediately, and it will also list the shapes that that 3C design is available in. But what we did for this catalog is we flowed it within the shape that you would be looking for, just to make it a little bit easier.
And this page that you're looking at is page 145 in the book, but it's flowed throughout, so it's easy to find. I also want to talk about some other things really flowed through to be grouped together. Diamond, accent, and engagement rings. You'll see the baguette secondary stones all flowed together as well. So really helping you find exactly what you're looking for. This is page 384 and 385.
Yeah, so another thing that we tried to do was we tried to paginate by putting styles that were similar to each other on the same page. So if you were looking at one, you could easily compare to the styles that we have that are similar.
So let's talk about education, because
Sure.
sometimes people might be getting this book and decide they're starting in a bridal business, and maybe this is the starting point. I want to point your attention to page 756 and page 766 for contemporary metal education to really explain what that even means and why it's important.
Yeah, we want to make sure that if a customer wants to offer contemporary metals, that they have all of the resources and education to help them differentiate the different types of contemporary metals and make sure that they're understanding what's right within their store, within particular customers, within particular circumstances. So we provided a lot of education to kind of differentiate all those different types of contemporary metals that we offer.
And also how you go through and customize on page 788. What are some of the customization options that people have? I mean, I know people have all different ideas. Weddings look different, so why not make a ring look perfectly unique?
Right, so we offer a lot of different customization options based on what product you're looking at, but a great example would be our wedding band. So if you've been to our wedding band builder on Stuller.com, it partners perfectly with the catalog, and you can add that special finish. You can change the millimeter width, and it's all going to render real time on Stuller.com, or you can see all the options within the catalog. It's nice to partner them together or use them individually.
Okay, so Caitlin on your team is the most excited about what I'm about to talk about.
Okay.
And you can see it on page 674. It is the ENA cross-reference. So, a lot of times you might look and say, well, this looks similar, or these two things go together, but we can definitively say these two styles match.
Yes, she is right to be excited about that, because what we've done is we have anniversary bands that are exact complements to an eternity style and vice versa. What we've done is we've listed the series number underneath the anniversary or the respective eternity to let you know exactly which ENAs match each other. So if you're trying to upsell, you're trying to fit a budget, we're giving you the tools to do that instantly by looking at the catalog.
You mentioned the series. The series index is another thing. It's page 773, and you can really look and see how these series are organized. If you're trying to double check, like you said, that cross-reference to make sure these either are the same, maybe you're making sure it's not the same. That's what this page will do. Again, it's page 773.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, you can find everything, Stuller.com. It's all listed there. The really great bridal team. I'm telling you, your team is passionate. Super excited about this catalog going out, and we are too. If you don't have yours, you can get it right now at Stuller.com. Just search for the bridal catalog, and we got to plug the great contest that's going on. You and your dad, Matt Stuller, took a selfie with the catalog, and we want people to do it too. We talked about it in back in the first Facebook Live. You didn't have to chase him down the halls.
Nope. He was pretty excited. I mean, as he should be. You know, he knows how much work has gone into this catalog, and we're just ready to get it out there. So we would love to see our customers' excitement as well through this selfie contest.
Look, we were so excited here at Stuller. We actually took the book around and had people inside the building wanting to take pictures with it. So this is really the culmination of all that hard work. Alex Stuller, thank you so much for being here. Get your catalog now, over 800 new styles right here in this book. And of course, everything at Stuller.com. I'm Rob Kirkpatrick. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.